Video tutorials by Buckle. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a zigzag design in Affinity Photo. First thing to do, just quickly go over here to View and Show Grid. You can modify the grid via View and Grid Access Manager. Now, then make certain snappings on. I'm just going to quickly go up here, Enable Snapping, and go to the Pen tool. The key thing here is that you use polygon mode, so just go there, you can just see that one there, just select that, don't select the others. Well, you can select the others, but that one's probably the best for polygon mode. And then make certain there's no fill, and unless you want to fill of course, and set the stroke to black, etc. Now just click there, click there, click there, click there, click there, click there, and so on. So you can see the general approach. Just create a quick zigzag. Now that's one design. Escape, and then you can create a very basic one there. Just go up, down, up, down, up, down there, and click there, and click there. Escape. Another option, of course, create a more random sort of zigzag. So you can actually just go there, there, there. Make it faster in places. Just up and down randomly. It doesn't have to be always consistent, and just stop there. Right, so that's a quick way of creating the little zigzag design, but there's a bit more than that. So you can just now escape again, so you can get, now I'm just going to quickly get rid of that one. Don't want that one anymore, but just want to show you that, and I'm going to go with this one. So you've got that design there. What you can do then, go up to the stroke, you can change the colour of course. You just quickly go and select, say, red, that's a key one, or maybe hold down the Alt and then change the colour, so you can actually duplicate it. Duplicate that, maybe that, go different colour there, different colour there. Now another thing you can of course do, hold the Alt down again, Alt or Option, and I'm just going to quickly duplicate that, and then of course you can resize it. So that's another thing, you can of course rotate it, so you've got zigzag different designs as well, different angles. Now once you've actually got that, you can of course modify as well the whole thing. So just quickly go over here to a group, go back to the pen tool. What you can do then, you've got stroke, and you can actually set the colour, say have them all the same, don't have to, so undo that. You can also go over here and set the width, so you can see vary that. Also you can use pressure or scale the object and modify the pressure for all of those. So you can of course do that if you've got an individual one, so you don't have to keep them all the same of course, just you can modify that. Okay, so you've got that. Once you've done that, what you can also do, of course, you've got them as a group, so you can then just go to Filters and Distort, maybe use Twirl or Mirror. It's always quite a nice one, so you can actually create a quick mirror and modify the input, so you can vary that, modify that, maybe make a number of mirrors. Sometimes it disappears, but you can bring that back and vary that in numerous ways. Anyway, hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.